Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of storage solutions with the Toshiba X300 Pro HDDs. These high-capacity drives promise to be the perfect companion for your desktop or workstation. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about capacity. The Toshiba X300 Pro comes in 12TB and 20TB models, offering ample space for all your storage needs. Whether you're a content creator, developer, or professional in need of extra space, these drives have got you covered. Now, onto performance. The X300 Pro delivers solid speeds, especially at the 12TB mark. With a sustained transfer rate of up to 285 MB per second, you can expect smooth performance for your day-to-day tasks. What about reliability? Well, Toshiba backs these drives with a 5-year, 300 TB per year warranty, ensuring peace of mind for your investment. Plus, with 512 MB of DRAM cache from 10 TB and up, you get a larger buffer for improved performance. Speaking of which, let's talk pricing. While the X300 Pro may not be the cheapest option out there, it certainly offers great value for the features you're getting. At just $17.75 per terabyte for the 20TB model, it's a solid investment for professionals who demand high storage density. Now, you might be wondering how the X300 Pro stacks up against the competition. Well, it competes directly with the likes of the Seagate IronWolf Pro and WD Red Pro. And while those drives may offer similar features, the X300 Pro stands out with its superior performance and cache size. So, to wrap things up, the Toshiba X300 Pro HDDs are a solid choice for anyone in need of high-capacity storage for their desktop or workstation. With reliable performance, a generous warranty, and reasonable pricing, these drives deserve a spot in your setup. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy storing!